Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Uber Eats for merchant account setup and targeting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring your Uber Eats merchant account, visit the Uber Eats for Business website. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the setup process. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't have one. Fill in your email address, password, and any other required information. Once your account is created, log in to the dashboard. Navigate to the Merchants section located in the main menu. Select the Account Setup option to begin configuring your account details. Input your business name, address, and contact information accurately. Next, specify your cuisine type and provide a brief description of your restaurant. Upload your business logo, ensuring it meets the required specifications for format and size. After uploading, click on the menu section to start adding your food items. Include detailed descriptions, prices, and high-quality images for each menu item. Organize your items into categories for easier navigation. Once your menu is complete, review all the information for accuracy. Now, move to the pricing section to set your delivery and service charges. Consider factors such as delivery distance and market competition when setting these rates. Next, visit the availability settings. Specify your operational hours and any specific days when you are closed. Now, navigate to the Promotions section. Consider setting up introductory offers to attract initial customers. You can create discount codes or free delivery offers here. Proceed to the Targeting feature in the dashboard. Choose your target audience by selecting demographics and preferences relevant to your restaurant. Define delivery zones by mapping out areas you are willing to serve. Be mindful to adjust your targeting based on your business goals. Once all settings are in place, review everything one last time for completeness. When satisfied with the configuration, click the Submit button to finalize your account setup. You will receive a confirmation email once your merchant account is successfully activated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.